Welcome back to the stream here.
We got Spacey on Spacey on Spacey on Spacey.
Yeah, we got Spaces for days. I can't blame him for not playing Bowser into this. I'm sure that's kind of miserable.
Did John Dolan win?
Yeah, he did. John Dolan over Queen.
Good job, John Dolan. I don't know who Queen is, but good job, John Dolan.
Massachusetts Peach.
There
Not
you
the
go.
KOM or
Nuggets.
Nuggets Friday. Yeah, that one.
I miss Nuggets.
Yeah, fuck that guy. I told him, hey, come to my event. And he goes, oh, maybe. And then I handed him a rose, and he still didn't come.
You know what else you should have handed him? A freaking packet, yo. He was just mad because he was pointing out the obvious.
Yeah. That's all. It's what it is, bro.
Wow.
Well, you know.
Is Cruss the
Sometimes-
greatest player of all time?
I guess so. I mean, it's a rare art to know that you should swing the other way to get the hitbox you want.
There you go.
What?
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 No, I don't know. I was just making fun of the fact that up smash it.
Well, he was just keep rushing in.
Yeah.
It's like, okay.
I was surprised it scooped. It doesn't normally do that.
Yeah, it's funny how like inconsistently that move is, but it's still like
A lot of it's probably because
inconsistent.
of Wolf's hitbox.
Yeah.
That's shout out our sideline analysis. They're cousins?
Oh yeah.
I didn't know
Rare
that.
cousin battle. That's awesome. Forgot about that fun fact. Boy.
Good wave dash. Alright, hold on. We're back in it. I'm shaking it. I'm shaking it.
That's probably what he's thinking to himself when that up to runs out. Shake it, Cruss.
Who's gonna tell him? Who's gonna tell him? Who's gonna tell him that Cam took a game from Bruo because it was a Pac-Man ditto?
That's funny. That's
Who's gonna tell him? I'm not gonna tell him.
That's so awesome, man.
Yeah, it is. Dude, Bruno's picture is so awesome.
Oh yeah, just the fucking K-Rool render mode 6-pack, right? Yeah. It's so good.
That guy's he's an aura farmer.
I think so. Why does Wolf Dash Attack hit ledge? Why does Cloud Dash Attack hit
Why
ledge?
does it send up
That is
and
true.
out and kill in both angles?
Because he's shaking it. Like, I don't
Are we
know.
gonna play it today?
Are we? I don't know.
We
I don't
usually
think, I
do.
don't think we're in the same bracket.
No, low-key we're not at Jablock, so we're not gonna play.
True.
Chad, I play Craftus all the time. In practice. Thank you, Ian.
Oh my god, it's TTVK Bianca.
I didn't know he was uncut.
Yeah, he's been uncut.
Jaking it.
Crazy.
He was at 140 off the ledge.
Two. What the fuck? Now imagine that's a lighter character. They die hella early.
Man, they
Yeah,
fucking
if they're mad.
spaces.
But if you're good, maybe you don't die.
Frame 3 that still kills you and combos you.
I know, I am just low-key like saying shit. But ain't we all at the end of the day? Where's down throw laser? My favorite combo. You fuck with down throw laser?
That is kind of awesome, I think.
I fuck with down throw laser heavily as Falco. After this, I might tell Cruss about that.
After the set, we'll do some post-set coaching.
Yeah. So, Cruss, you ever done down throw laser? Shit's awesome.
Why is your shit connected to the internet? Fuck you. Like what?
Why are you pocket watching?
Yeah. It's connected because it needs to be to load the DLC characters. Because it's my second Switch.
Oh, goodbye, Cruss. Alright, I need to go stim.
Yes.
The lot of you.